Hiya. My name's Rich. I'm from the UK, and I'm just would like someone to do a bit of a JV with us regarding some software. So basically, I want to improve on what this does, and as you can see, this was an affiliate software called Commission Killer, just over here. And across the tab, they've got different functions and different scraping which it'll do. Basically, put your ClickBank ID in there, for instance, and your website and so on. Press play, and then it will go over to ClickBank and so on. Don't work too well, doesn't this site? I think they've used Ubot with it, and basically, I'm wanting an improvement on this, and same kind of interface. So as you can see, when it goes to a website, so you basically put your domain name in there, which it'll be an empty domain name. There won't be anything on there, so it's just a domain you've just bought, for instance. But I want a separate part where you can choose to put a subdomain in, or add-on domain, where you can choose it. So it'll have two different fields for those. Your cPanel username and password, and then an email address, just so that it can send a success note or whatever on there. But then when you press play, for instance, it will then show you that it's firstly logging into your website, into your cPanel, and then it will go on to the next task. I'd like it semi-automatic, so as you can choose which stages you want it to go to. So, for instance, so if you just want it to just go in and log into your cPanel, and then you can do things in this window here, that'd be fine. What it actually does, this software, it basically sends a WordPress install and sets up MySQL database up as well, along with login details like username and so on. So, for instance, on the next part, once it's done the first part, it will actually say finished. Go to your next step. So you click on your next tab, and then you type in your site title, your category. I'd like something where you've got more categories and more pages. So whether it can actually, so you can choose a page, and then it'll just automatically line up in here, and you can actually fill in the details. Site color, so they're using one theme and then lots of different colors with that theme. It'd be good if you can choose from your from your desktop, a different theme, for instance, and then it'll upload that particular theme. And ClickBank, so it scrapes ClickBank products, putting your keywords here, and then in your ID, it scrapes them and it automatically populates with your ID. And then when you press play, it'd automatically fill the website with those details, and like it's self-explanatory here. You'll have your website, and then you'll have your ad codes here, your sidebar there. So it will populate whatever ads in there. And let's have a look. So on here, you put in your same thing again, your domain name, like it says, your niche keyword, and your article source. It uses articles or video posts. It'll do a search for them, and then it will automatically populate on your WordPress site with them. And this is where you can choose any PLR articles which are already in your site, or you can actually load a site up which has already been pre-created with this. So that's basically it, something like that. And ideally, with the design of this, would be great. And it's a nice slick interface. It looks clean. Could have a number of different tabs here for the functions and so on. So and this can be your window for your web browser type thing. And yeah, just something on this. JV would be great, because if we can get this kind of software going, there's absolutely thousands of affiliates who not only use it but promote it as well and sell it. So that's my idea, and I have obviously I've got both these programs. So if you need to back engineer them, that'd be great. All right, many thanks. Bye.